The Wolf Convection Steam Oven helps you predict delicious results every time. The time-saving secret to sensational meals is here. Ideal for practically any food, especially vegetables. Flavors are much more vibrant and even better for your health because all nutrients remain intact. If you want to slow roast a cut of beef, simply tell the oven when you want it done. It comes out magnificently browned and juicy. And those hard-to-perfect pie crusts? Imagine serving a beautiful apple pie straight from the oven with a flawless crust that shines. But the best part is, you can rejuvenate leftovers. Take last night's Chinese food and reheat it to perfection. You can cook multiple dishes together because moisture, heat, and airflow work in harmony to create delicious results. This unique technology allows nutrition to be preserved without transferring flavors, which means you can eliminate salt and fat from your diet without compromising taste. This oven does everything from proofing to roasting and reheating to defrosting. Let's find out more from our cooking expert.
The Wolf Convection Steam Oven has 12 different modes for cooking, and I'm going to showcase just a few. It's only fitting to begin with the steam mode. Steaming at high temperatures allows you to prepare a large range of foods while retaining vitamins, minerals, and flavor. In the Wolf Convection Steam Oven, there's no restriction on the cooking space. You can work on all rack positions. With the perforated cooking pan, it's easier for various vegetables to cook together without burning. A wide range of meals can be prepared together. A good example of this would be a simple meal of vegetables and seafood, each expertly cooked at the same time. A medium-range steam temperature is the equivalent of poaching. You can gently poach fillets of fish to perfection. The lowest steam temperature is just right for defrosting. The hot cook spots that a microwave creates are no longer an issue when you defrost in the steam oven. And if you forget to take out those frozen meats in the morning, it's not a problem. Large quantities of food can be defrosted with superior results. I know we've all done this. Saved the meatloaf from the night before and burned it while reheating it a day or two later. Not anymore. Reheat mode is perfect for when you choose to have leftovers for dinner. With this mode, you can reheat already prepared dishes without compromising the quality of the food, all with the press of just one button. Let's say you want a warm piece of bread to go with that meatloaf, and all you can find is stale or day-old bread. Grab that old bread and put it in the oven at 300 degrees for 7 minutes. Your entire leftover meal will taste like it was made that night. Have you ever tried to make the perfect apple pie? It's easy using the auto steam bake mode. The process starts with a steam phase and follows with a convection phase. This is perfect for all yeast products, loaves, and puff pastry creations. Each and every one will come out of the oven with a golden, flaky crust like you've never seen before. You won't have to brush on an egg wash to get a shiny finish. I bet you're wondering why you need the convection steam mode. It allows you to do amazing things you never thought possible, like braising a beautiful rack of ribs in an hour and a half. You can braise the ribs uncovered directly on the pan. Steam transfers the energy to the food more efficiently so the ribs retain their own moisture and delicate parts are resistant to burning. I know I'm a chef and I'm making this all sound pretty easy, and I bet you're wondering, is it really that simple? With the Wolf Gourmet mode, it is. Simply tell it what type of food you're putting in the oven. There's a choice of 14 food categories that cover most types of food. It really is as simple as pressing a button. Choose the food you want, the climate sensor adjusts the time, temperature, and humidity. The frozen appetizer selection is A2, and it's perfect for any and all appetizers from the freezer section of your local grocery store. You can prepare crispy egg rolls like they were just fried. By using A6, frozen potato products, you can bring new life to frozen French fries or sweet potato tots. And my personal favorite, I can make bakery fresh bread at home by using A11, bread, and then selecting the darkness of the crust. No times or temperatures to worry about. So whether you create your own recipes or use an existing recipe, whether your food comes fresh from the garden or from the freezer, astonishing results are achieved quickly and easily. These are only a few of the 12 remarkable cooking modes in the Wolf Convection Steam Oven. Now you can enjoy meats, casseroles, breads, appetizers, desserts, or multi-course meals. Because with a Wolf Convection Steam Oven, you can predict delicious results every time.